away from my hole, you. Just falling in it. She's obsessed with looking for birds, aren't you? Yeah, look where you're going. So I'm moving my driveway gates up the driveway about 6 feet to gain a bit more space for parking. So that's the one of the old gate posts there. That's the 3.5 inch diameter ones. I'm putting the bigger ones in. This one's I think 4.5 inch diameter, 2 meters length, and so for some reason I've got double gates, and one side had a bigger gate post, a 4.5 inch, and the other one had a 3.5 inch. So I'm going to do the matching and then dig the old post out and use that for something else. The old gate hangers, these are completely rusted, so I had to chop those off with an angle grinder in the end. So my basic method is use a bar to loosen up the soil, dig it out with a spade, and then I'm going to bury the post 31 inches deep, or 7 inches below the bottom hook there. So it's about, so that is 7 inches above the ground. That's what I worked out is best anyway, after doing a few before. So I've already moved this post, managed to dig it out and reconcrete it in there. And it was loose where it was before, so it had moved over and the gate was slanting over, and I like having level gates. I don't like wonky gate posts, so I'm happy with that. I think the reason it moved, someone had maybe used 1 bag of postcrete or a small amount of concrete at the bottom of the hole, and then it was just soil. Whereas what I like to do is put 2 bags of postcrete in, and mix rubble in, as well as soil, and tamp it all down as I'm burying it. So after I've put this gate post in, I'll have to dig that one out, the old one there. I've got another job for that one. And rip out this old fencing here, that's not doing much. I might have to dig a little bit of the bank out as well. Just keep the edges squared off with the spade as you're digging down, otherwise your hole will get narrow as you go down. So just scrape off the edges, and you've got plenty of space then to put the post in. So not far off with that now. It's down about 25 inches, so I've got about 6 inches to go. I'm going to come back to that now. I'm going to go and look for some food. Inches. So I'm going to use this commonly used post mixed concrete. Sometimes it's called Postcrete. There's a few different brands of it. It's brilliant for putting fence posts in or gate posts. So you just put some water in the hole ready with the post, tip the whole bag in, it's already pre-mixed, and then it starts to set within about 10 minutes. So as you're just holding the post, you just keep checking the spirit level to check that your post's level both ways. And then when you're sure it's sort of set, or set strong enough to hold the post, you can just leave it to it then. I generally don't hang the gate on it until the next day, just to let it go fully solid. Let the concrete harden properly. Okay, so I've got 2 bags of postcrete in there. And the post's holding itself up now, but I'm just moving it slightly to make sure it's level. Got to make sure it's level this way and that way. and then before it sets, obviously check that your hangers are pointing in line with where your gate's going to go. Even though obviously you've got a little bit of excess water on top of the concrete, it doesn't matter, the concrete goes off anyway. So it's not like I put a measured amount of water in, I just throw about 2/3 of a bucket in. But I generally just keep checking the level as it sets, because the last thing you want is for the concrete to set with the post and it's moved slightly. So just stand and chill out and hold the post in place for a few minutes, keep checking the level. Then what I like to do then to finish it off, because there's still quite a lot of leverage on the top of the post that potentially could pull it over, because obviously you haven't got concrete to the top. So what I like to do is put some soil in, tamp it down, and I'll also mix in some broken bits of rubble, some old broken concrete block bits, shove those in and tamp it down with a mixture of soil, so that there's less chances of the gate moving then. If children or people are climbing over the gates, you've got quite a lot of leverage, but that'll be solid then. So that's the hanging post in, ready to hang a gate.